So the first thing I did was cut out some triangles, 3 triangles per spike, 4 spikes, and then I just sanded the backing off of the foam. Just use puzzle mat foam. Makes it glue together a little better for less seams. You don't want to be trying to make round spikes with all that hot glue and junk in there. We're going to use contact cement later on to put these all together. Make sure you're wearing eye protection or respirator. If you don't have a sanding box, I have a box I made that I can sand in. Keeps all that dust nice and contained. Doesn't get all over the garage or the room. Right, next thing I did, glued those triangles together, glued some round things on, and I just cut the same size triangle out of the long end to make pyramids. Alright, now that we've got everything glued together back into the sanding box, we're going to take the Dremel and round off the base plates. Once we get those nice and as round as we can get them, it's not going to be perfect. You can cut those out better if you want, but kind of a waste of time, no one's going to barely see them. Then we're going to start taking the edges of the pyramids down to make them round. We don't want square spikes. I mean, you could do square spikes, depends on the look you're going for, but the particular armor I'm building is round, so we're just going to start taking the edges off here.
Close the door, put out the light. No, they won't be home tonight. The snow falls hard, and don't you know? The winds of Thor are blowing cold. They're wearing steel that's bright and true. They carry news that must get through. They choose a path where no one goes.
So now we've got one spike done. You can see the difference here between the two. It's not perfectly round, but that's okay. We're going to do a little bit more sanding on it with some finer grit sandpaper. So I've got a couple sanding sticks, 180 grit. I'm hitting it here first, a little bit heavier, getting all the rough edges and stuff off and the big chunks. And then once I'm done with the 180, I'm going to go over it with a 220 sanding stick and smooth it out real good. So definitely make these, get some paint sticks from Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, glue some sandpaper to them. Props to Evil Ted for showing me this trick. This thing is handy. Right, now we're just going to cut off the little tails that we made when we sanded them down, just so the ends of these are kind of got these little tails. Just cut them off. You don't want the end to be perfectly sharp anyway, but seriously, you're not going to notice the little flat spot. It gives them a nice cleaner look. They don't kind of bend. Just trim them nice and clean. Use a sharp knife. Alright, so now I'm going to take a heat gun and heat treat the spikes. We'll close up that foam, give you a little bit smoother surface and won't look so fuzzy. They get a little shine to them. Careful with the heat gun, it is hot. You don't want to burn your fingers. It is hard to work on something that small. I don't wear gloves because they're bulky, but it's not too bad if you know what you're doing. Just practice, don't burn yourself.
Devil mops there every step.
And here you go. This is what they'll look like when they're attached to the shoulder piece. Pretty nice, if I do say so myself. Spikes make everything look that much better. Enjoy. Craft on.